Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check recent unfollowers on Instagram. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step here, what you're going to do, we'll go and open Instagram app as you can see. And from here, we're going to click on our icon down to the right bottom and we're going to head these three lines up to the right corner. And now once we're here, we go for the search bar and we're going to search for downloads and we're going to choose download your information over here. And then once we here, we're going to choose download or transfer information. And we're going to choose Instagram account and click on next. And now once we're here, we're going to click on some of your information. And from here, we'll go scroll down until we can choose followers and following and choose next. In here, lastly, click on download to device. So from date range, you can choose it to last week, last month, all time, depends on your option. In my case, I would choose last year because I would like to know who unfollowed me the last year. And lastly, click on save and then choose create files. And within the upcoming minutes, a file will be created and downloaded to your device that has the information of the followers and the unfollowers as well. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.